Hi, I'm Scott and I'm going to give you a few basic lessons on how you can start out playing the drums, and these are basically aimed at beginners. Started teaching drums in schools in Aylesbury and Buckinghamshire in January 2022. In September we had a big influx of beginners, so we came up with these lesson plans to teach them how to play drums right from the very beginning. So I'm now going to teach these to you. So once we've gone through how to hold the sticks and what all the basic drums and cymbals are, and just in case you don't know, this is a snare drum, this is your hi-hat, this is a ride cymbal, these are crashes, these are toms, and down here is the kick drum. We then teach them how to do single strokes, which are basically right, left, counted really as 1, 2, 3, 4.